Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to Beauty and Beyond. Today I'm coming at you fresh-faced to review a skincare brand that you can only get at Dollar General. If you're interested in some really great, affordable skincare, stay tuned because I'm going to give you my thoughts on the things that I purchased. I kind of went ham on buying these things. The first thing that I want to talk about in this Believe Skin line is the packaging. It is such a beautiful, light-toned blue. It looks, to me, it looks very, very luxurious and special. This is a spray that I'll talk to you about. Here is the moisturizer jar. Everything looks really clean and fresh, and I really, really enjoy that. So I have used this daily gel cleanser one time so far. It says that this daily gel cleanser is an everyday gel cleanser that thoroughly cleans skin without stripping. It has coconut extract and vitamin E in it. So I do have fairly dry skin, and I do use the CeraVe hydrating, like, non-foaming cleanser. This is a foaming cleanser. It's like a gel cleanser, like it says. And I did find that my skin felt a little stripped after I used this. It does have a fragrance to it, which I enjoy. I am not sensitive to fragrances, but I do try to buy things that don't have a whole lot of fragrances. I do find that this left my skin feeling with that squeaky clean feeling that I'm just a little bit nervous to have every day. So I don't plan on using this cleanser every day. I'm gonna probably use it every other day. They did have another cleanser that seemed to be for oily skin. So I'm really glad that I didn't get that one, because that one is probably gonna be even more stripping than this one made my skin feel. Everyone's skin type is different though, so you may actually enjoy using this every day. The next thing I have not used yet, and I will maybe post myself wearing it on a community tab later, is the hydrating sheet mask. It's a serum drenched sheet mask for a boost of hydration with aloe vera and bamboo. I love a sheet mask, and so I'm excited to try that. Like I said, I have, kind of dry skin, especially during the winter time. So I'm hoping that this will leave my middle-aged 40-year-old lady skin feeling very youthful. We'll see about that. Now, things that I've used on multiple occasions that I'm finding I'm really enjoying so far. The first thing I want to talk to you about is the Believe Skin Reviving Eye Cream. It is set to hydrate and refresh your under eye, and it does have caffeine and ceramides in it so that you can, help combat the dark circles under your eyes and any puffiness that you might have. Now, I have serious under eye bags and serious under eye circles and darkness. So I don't hold performance against any eye cream because I have a lot going against me and they have a lot to work against. But I do feel like this very lightweight eye cream does a great job of adding some hydration to my under eye without adding on more weight in order for my under eyes to actually look nice with makeup also on top. So that's something that I'm learning about as I am continuing to age, and something that you should think about too. How much are you putting on top of your under eye? That skin is so thin, and if you're adding on a thick cream and concealer and corrector and foundation and powder, it's just gonna look heavier and heavier and heavier. So I'm very thankful that this eye cream is lightweight, and while I know that eye cream is not necessary, I do enjoy the process of applying an eye cream. I've been wanting to get a vitamin C serum for brightening purposes, and I found one at an affordable price. All of this stuff is either $5 or $5 and some change. So everything is less than $6. I think this was $2.50. So this is a very, very, very affordable skincare line. And the Believe Beauty makeup products are also very, very affordable as well. So this vitamin C serum is infused with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. It's for brightening the complexion for a glowing skin. And you know, I am not like a esthetician. I don't study like a dermatologist. I don't study all of the ingredients a whole lot. I do try to educate myself from other people who do that, but if it's on me on my own, I don't have the knowledge to be able to apply that to say, oh, this is the best kind of vitamin C. I'm assuming it's not, because it's very light in its color, but a couple of drops on your skin and you know, your skin will be looking a little more glowing and a little brightened. So I have been enjoying adding that into my morning time skincare routine. Over time, we'll see if I feel like that helps with any of the discoloration that I have around this area and around my chin area. So before I do that vitamin C serum, I've been really enjoying the face toning mist. This is an energizing mist that delivers a boost of hydration while toning skin, and it has witch hazel and lotus extract. I do find that this does have a fragrance as well, but I don't find that the fragrance is really all that offensive. It does go away, you know, within a short amount of time, and it dries down, and it does leave my skin feeling very nice. My only wish that they would tweak is the spritzer. The spritzer is a little too direct at me. Let's see if we can see it. I wish that the spritzer did a little more of a wide spray, but I'm learning how to kind of do it a little farther away from my face, so that I can cover more without having large spritz piles all over my face. So I've been enjoying that. I know that a toning mist is not necessary in a skincare routine, but I thought at this affordable price, I might as well go ahead and try it and see what I think. The last thing that I picked up was the Believe Skin Moisture Cream. It's a rich cream that leaves skin feeling soft and supple, and this has Japanese camellia and vitamin E. And this is set for normal to dry skin, which I do find makes my dry skin feel very, very hydrated. I'm enjoying this cream. This one maybe has a little bit of a fragrance as well. It is very, very thick. It's not gonna slide off, and it blends in really, really nice and quick, and you know, leaves your skin with a nice, fresh, hydrated glow. I'm enjoying that so far. So far out of all the things that I've been trying the most, I would say that the moisturizer is my most favorite thing, followed by probably maybe the eye cream, and then these two would kind of be last, just because I know they're not super necessary. But all in all, I'm really, really impressed with the Believe Skin Care line at your local Dollar General. So if you've been looking for it, don't look at the makeup stand. You have to go into the skincare aisle, and hopefully you will find it there. And if you have tried any of the Believe Skin products, let me know below what you've tried. I live kind of in a small rural area, so the larger areas with Dollar Generals that are bigger and serve larger areas may have even more products. So I would love to hear about that below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.